Since I've been a child, I've always wanted to go into engineering, and the best way I thought of doing it is going through an apprenticeship, and the best apprenticeships are with the council, so I thought, why not? From the apprenticeship, I gained a lot of knowledge, information like you never know, experience you never ever get to see. It's absolutely amazing. There's a lot of things I've enjoyed from this apprenticeship. Going out on site, meeting new people, you have so much fun out here. It is really good. The support you receive here is outstanding. They're always on your back. They'll make sure you're up to date with everything. They also arrange regular meetings with me to see how I'm progressing, if I need any help or anything else. The plans I have to develop my career is just, after apprenticeship, hopefully they'll take me on, carry on with the apprenticeship, just get the best grades I can, and hopefully get a permanent job here.